How to be successful in business. 5 simple tips for building a successful business. Welcome to Natural Healing Guides. In today's motivation tips, we are going to give you simple tips for making your business a huge success. As short as these tips are, they are capable of turning your business around. Here are 5 really simple ways to succeed in your business. 1. Let your business satisfy needs. To have a successful business, the goods or services you render must be to satisfy the needs of people, not just their wants. When your aim is to satisfy their needs, you will realize that they will have no other option than to patronize you. So before you start thinking of making millions, think of how you can impact lives first. 2. Be committed and consistent. No business can grow without commitment and consistency. You have to give a better part of your life to it and resolve to never stop trying. Continue to do what you are doing, it will pay off someday. 3. Be accountable. To move forward in business, you must be able to keep detailed record for everything you do. This will help you know where to step up or step down in order to help the business grow. 4. Be unique. There are competitors out there, but you can beat them by being different and better. Let your creativity play out if you really want to be outstanding. 5. Make sacrifices and grow. When starting a business, you should be willing to make really heavy sacrifices if you want to grow. Don't expect to start benefiting from the meager profits when you can invest them to bring you wealth. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more motivational tips, research-based home remedies and natural health videos. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.